Good morning, children. I hope you have drawn the diagram which I told you to draw, the diagram of the banyan tree. Alright. So, let's continue now. Let's do this. Get together with 3-4 of your friends from the list of things given. Decide who will bring which thing. Transparent glass tumbler or bottle with a wide mouth, rubber band or thread, some seeds of moong, wheat, bajra, mustard, chana, chickpeas, the rajma, that red beans, and a wad of cotton wool. Okay, you get a flat cotton wool, you get a roll, so you will have to take that as well. Now each group will work with only one kind of seed. Alright. Soak a few seeds, like 5 or 6, overnight in the bowl full of water. Take the wad of cotton wool and wet it. It's a bed, cotton wool bed. You have to make a mattress like this, mattress of cotton wool. Alright. You have to wet that. Put water on that and make it wet. Put it on the mouth of the tumbler. Tie it tight to the mouth with the rubber band on the thread or thread. Remove soaked seeds from the water and place them on the cotton wool. Okay. Then you see you have to put some cotton wool, right? And you have to put it on the mouth of the tumbler also. Then you have to remove some soaked seed and put it on the cotton wool. You will have to take care that cotton wool does not dry. Means you have to keep sprinkling it. You will have to take care that it should remain wet always. Okay. Observe the changes that take place for the next 10 to 12 days. Did you observe the seedlings come out of the seeds? Draw the picture of the seedling as it looks on the 4th and the 8th day. Okay, children? So you have to draw the picture as it looks on day 4 and day 8. Okay. Now, write in your notebook what are the difference you observe, the seeds after soaking. Okay, and what was the size of the seed before soaking into the water. Okay. What do you think would happen if cotton wool had been left dry? What would have happened if the cotton wool would have been left dry? In which direction did the root grows and the stem? How big did the plant grow in the cotton wool? Did small plants come out from all the seeds? That all the questions you have to answer, children. All right. What is the color of the roots? That also. So you after my video you have to write all the answers in front of the textbook only. Okay. And then children we will continue with the next. Right. So first you do this and then you have to do this textbook exercise, and then I'm going to send you some PDF to write the question and answers. So once you are done with this video, you will have to send me the pictures which you have drawn in the notebook. Okay, and after that I'll be sending you the PDF for writing the question and answers. Already I have sent you 2 PDF 1 and 2. Today we are going to send you PDF 3. Alright, so let me continue, let me finish this. Very little is left, no? So desert oak, do you know? We'll talk about desert oak. Desert oak is a tree that is found in Australia. Children, this is very, very, very important paragraph. Okay. So you have to write very, very important, because the whole paragraph is gonna ask in the exam. This has always been asked. Alright. So let's continue. Desert oak is a tree that is found in Australia. It grows almost as tall as your classroom wall. It is it has very few leaves. Guess how deep its roots go down. Imagine the length of about 30 such trees laid down in a line end to end. My goodness, 30 trees standing one above the other. That long the tree roots go inside. Okay. Now these roots go deep into the ground till they reach water, because in desert you will get water very deep down. Hardly you have water. So these trees which are found in the desert, they have the tendency to reach down for the water. So they are grown. They are very long. Very long. Okay. Now this water is stored in the tree trunk. Local people knew about this. Then when there was no water in the desert, the local people used to put a thin pipe into the trunk of the tree and to drink this water. Okay. So that's how this is very important, children. This paragraph you have to at least read this paragraph for 3 to 4 times. What grows? Arif and Rupali did the above activity. They saw the seedlings grow. When asked what are the things that grow, they had different ideas about things that grow. Arif made a list of the things that grow, like leaves, munna, bird, puppy, nails, fish. They are the things that grow. And Rupali had the list like moon, tree, eye, hair, watermelon, mosquito, crow. What do you think? Which things did Arif and Rupali grow? Which of the things listed by them grows? So why don't you make your own list that grow? So children, here you have to write the names of the things that grow. Alright, so please write down the names of the things that grow. So you're gonna make the list. Okay, things that grow. So you have to write it here. So what all things that they grow. Now think about yourself, in what ways you have changed over the period of times. Are you growing? Are you really growing? How are you growing? Your height is increasing, you become taller, your nails are growing, your hair is growing, everything is, whatever part you feel like it's growing, you have to write about it. Okay. So children, we are done with this chapter. Okay. So I'm sending you the PDF once you are done with the video. Okay, Baba.